Hello everyone, it's me again, Adam. And in today's video, we are going to work together on the following worksheet called Elderly People. Okay, so this worksheet has to do with the family, specifically grandparents. And this is going to be a listening and speaking activity because we are going to work on correct pronunciation, as well as a reading and writing activity because we have to read the questions and answer the questions. All right, let's get started. Number 1, where does it go? Write these different English names for grandmother and grandfather in the correct group. What do you call your grandparents? For example, I call my grandparents Grandma and Grandpa and Nana and Grandpa. So here we have the two groups, the grandmother group here to the left and the grandfather group here to the right. Okay, so first, let's go over these words. Now, I want you all to repeat the words after me to work on our pronunciation. Grandma, grandma, gran, granddad, granddad, pops, grandpa, gramps, granny, nana. All right, good job. Now, take a few minutes and write each name in the correct group, whether it's a name for grandmother or whether it's a name for grandfather. All right, pause the video if you need to. Number 2, true or false? Think about an elderly person you know well. For example, your grandmother or grandfather. What do they do for you? Circle true or false for these sentences. Write 2 more sentences about what they do for you or why they are special. Okay, so the first one, A, he or she looks after me when my parents are at work. True or false? B, he or she helps me with my homework. C, he or she plays games with me. D, he or she takes me to the park. E, he or she makes me nice food. F, he or she tells me stories. Okay, and here you have to come up with 2 more sentences. For example, G, he or she talks with me on the phone. And another example, H, he or she plays sports with me. Okay, so take a few minutes here and come up with 2 more sentences. Write those sentences in and answer the questions true or false.